Dr. Field Marshal Ngacha Karani, the gentleman who started, or I am the one who started the compensation agenda after Field Marshal Dedan Kimathi, when he started it in 1955 on April 4th. This organization was registered, of course, late, because the British government had already admitted liability on March 3rd, 1955. Meeting government officials who are in direct contact with the community so that they can inseminate the information that compensation will come to all of us, and now we must meet the leader, the government officials in a regional as well as the county as well as the divisions to the ground. We started campaigning because after acquiring the documentary evidence which were assigned and authorized by the Queen of England, Elizabeth II, we were able now to convince the people that they had a right to be compensated using international statutes. And they also quantified the amount of money each individual who was atrocized or maimed or whose property were denied to him, and even the labor which was taken during slave trade. Because we have been begging money from where the same people owe us money. Yani tunanunua maziwa ya ng'ombe yetu na ni yetu badala ya kunywa hiyo maziwa bila tatizo lolote.
We are so delighted here in Kisii to host Mau Mau Trust Group. As you know, these are our seniors in the society, although some are of my age, some are even younger than me. So I, as a county, they came to pay a courtesy call to us. First of all, they came to tell us that they are allowed and they will be allowed. So, you know, they cannot just enter into our area without, first of all, telling us they are allowed.
Chama lieta nguru kuchale Kintengeli, inche chairman itenete Kisii County, Mau Mau Original Trust. Umurubiri yo Mau Mau Original Trust, yeneo wana seseni, eganeti abantu bonsi bakonyeke bakanuchibeza. Ekegera batie tuese yo butaka. Kuna tuwabere tukubwatirana na national chairman, n'abakuru bande, yerenga kenyingima kiro omuntu n'abalira sikibese ekyo. Igorinda abakenya baito n'abagusi bonsi nko basabanga Mau Mau Original Trust bunamwatikire kugwase kurwase county commission. Nekiombekero kurwaniriro boene bw'abakenya bonsi bakabagusi. Igabagusi baitege ntu tutakire no bomo nakubeko murembe asekera ase ntosali omurembo itekegere ense yetu asereti omusongo ekeragenda nandi ntosali ense yaito totigare toyerendete na kuyagacha kibese ikigoja nandi togendere